If you've been looking for something to rebuild collagen, smooth wrinkles, brighten skin, and even help your body heal from the inside out, meet GHK-Cu, one of my very favorite regenerative peptides. GHK-Cu is a copper peptide, a naturally occurring compound in your body that declines with age. When we're younger, our GHK-Cu levels are high, which keeps our skin smooth, collagen strong, and healing fast. But as we get older, those levels drop, and that's when we start noticing fine lines and wrinkles, slower healing, less firmness, and less elasticity. By supplementing GHK-Cu, we're essentially giving the body a signal to repair, rebuild, and regenerate naturally. People love GHK-Cu for so many reasons, but here are the big ones. 1, it boosts collagen and elastin. It helps firm and plump the skin. 2, it smooths fine lines and wrinkles, supports healthier, younger-looking skin, fades dark spots and scars. It promotes more even skin tone and texture. It accelerates wound healing, used by athletes and dermatologists alike. It also protects against inflammation and oxidative stress, helps your cells repair damage faster, and personally, I love GHK-Cu because it's like giving my skin and body a repair signal. It's subtle, natural, and supports healing from the inside out. At Ellie MD, we offer GHK-Cu in different forms depending on your goals. It's a key ingredient in our Elevate skincare gel. Amazing for fine lines, wrinkles, scars, and skin brightening, found in the skincare section of our website. We also have the injectable formulation for systematic benefits like tissue repair and faster healing, found in the longevity section of our website. Like all of our therapies, it's compounded in a 503A pharmacy and prescribed through our licensed board-certified telehealth providers. So it's guided, safe, and customized just for you. So if you've been frustrated by wrinkles, uneven skin tone, or slow recovery from other things, from injuries, GHK-Cu could be the game changer that you've been looking for. I'll drop my Ellie MD link below so you can learn more and see if it's a good fit for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I've got more deep dives coming on peptides and regenerative therapies that are truly transforming lives from the inside out, and I can't wait to share them all with you.